There are two questions given here, but in the exam it teaches either question A or question B. Let me explain both A and B here. First, we'll start with question A. Here the question is evaluate the integral value of the limits from pi by 4 to pi by 2, e power 2x into 1 minus sine 2x divided by 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now let us take the given question I, which is equal to the limits from integration of pi by 4 to pi by 2, e power 2x into 1 minus sine 2x divided by 1 minus cos 2x into dx. See, here we have e power 2x and again sine 2x, cos 2x. So now we are going to take 2x equal to some variable. Here we'll take 2x equal to t. So if you differentiate on both sides, we get 2 into dx, which is equal to dt, and the value of dx equal to dt by 2. Now we are going to change the limits from x to, these are the limits for x. Now we are going to change the limits for t. Suppose if we take x equal to pi by 4 and t will be pi by 2. If we take the value of x as the other limit pi by 2, we get the value of t is pi. Now the limits are from pi to pi by 2. Now let us take integration of the limits from pi by 2, because pi by 4 if we take, we get pi by 2. So pi by 2 to pi, and e power, instead of 2x we are going to write t. So e power t into 1 minus sine 2x is t, so sine t divided by 1 minus cos t into dx is nothing but dt by 2. So here we have dx equal to dt by 2. So we are going to take dt by 2 here. Now we are going to take this 1 by 2 outside. If we take 1 by 2 outside, we get the limits from pi by 2 to pi. So e power t into, we are going to divide and multiply by 2. So we get minus 2 sine t by 2 into cos t by 2 divided by 2 sine square t by 2, and we have only dt because we have taken 1 by 2 outside. If we simplify this, we get 1 by 2 integration of the limits from pi by 2 to pi e power t into, we are going to divide 1 by 2 sine square t by 2, which is nothing but cosecant square t by 2. We had again 1 by 2 here, so we can write it as 1 by 2 into cosecant square t by 2 minus, if we divide this, we get cos t by 2 divided by sine t by 2. So we can write as cot t by 2 into dt. So this is a special form of integration. We have exponential function f of x and f dash of x. So if we rearrange this, we get 1 by 2 integration of the limits pi by 2 to pi e power t into minus cot t by 2 into dt plus 1 by 2 integration of the limits from pi by 2 to pi e power t into 1 by 2 cosecant square t by 2 into dt. So if we simplify this further by using ideal rule, we are going to integrating by parts. So let us take, this is first part, minus cot t by 2 is first part and exponential function is second part. So we are going to apply integrating by parts. So we get 1 by 2 into minus cot t by 2, because first part as it is, we get into e power t minus 1 by 2 integration of pi by 2 to pi minus cosecant square t by 2 into, this is integration of first part, into 1 by 2 e power t dt plus 1 by 2 integration of pi by 2 to pi e power t into 1 by 2 cosecant square t by 2 into dt. Now, if we simplify this, after applying the limits, we get 1 by 2 into e power pi into cot pi by 2 minus e power pi by 2 into cot pi by 4. So we get minus 1 by 2 times of 0 minus e power pi by 2 into 1. So minus times of minus is plus, so we have 1 by 2 into e power pi by 2. So this is the answer for the given integral value. Now let us see the mark distribution. Assuming 2x equal to t and getting the value dx equal to dt by 2, you will get 0.5 mark. And substituting the value of t and getting this equation, you will get another 0.5 mark. And simplifying and getting the value here by parts integration, integrating by parts, you will get another 0.5 mark. Applying Eileen rule and getting this one, you gained 1 mark. Now, applying the limits and getting the final answer, you will get another 0.5 mark. So, totally 3 marks for the given question A. Now, let us solve question B. Here, the question is evaluate the integral value of the limits from -2 to 2 x square by 1 plus 5 power x dx. Now, let us take the given value I equal to integration of the limits from -2 to 2 and x square divided by 1 plus 5 power x dx. Now we know that integration of the limits from a to b, f of x dx, which is equal to integration of the limits from a to b, f of a plus b minus x dx. By using this property, we are going to replace x by -2 plus 2 minus x. Now, if we replace this, we get I equal to integration of limits from -2 to 2. We get -2 plus 2 minus x the whole square divided by 1 plus 5 power -2 plus 2 minus x dx. We cancel out -2 plus 2, again -2 plus 2. We get I equal to integration of the limits from -2 to 2. We have x square divided by 1 plus 1 by 5x, because we have 5 power minus x. So into dx. Now if we simplify this, we get -2 and 2. The limits x square divided by 5 power x plus 1 divided by 5 power x into dx. Now we get I equal to integration of the limits from -2 to 2. X square into 5x divided by 5 power x plus 1. Now we are going to take this as equation number 1 and this is 2. Now we are going to add 1 and 2. So if we add 1 and 2, we get I plus I, which is equal to integration of the limits from -2 to 2, x square divided by 1 plus 5 power x plus x square into 5 power x divided by 5 power x plus 1 into dx. Now we are going to add this, we get 2i, which is equal to integration limits from -2 to 2, x square plus x square into 5x divided by 1 plus 5x into dx. Now if we cancel out this one after taking x square outside, -2 to 2, we take x square outside, we get 1 plus 5 power x divided by 1 plus 5 power x dx. If we cancel out, we get integration of the limits from -2 to 2, remaining x square into dx we have. So if we integrate this, we get x cube divided by 3 and the limits from -2 to 2. Now we are going to apply the limits. We get 2i equal to 1 by 3 into 2 cube minus of -2 cube. So if we simplify this, we get 2i, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 8 plus 8, which is nothing but 16 by 3. So we have 2i, which is equal to 16 by 3. We cancel out, we get 8. So the value of I is 8 by 3. So this is the answer for the given question. Now let us see the mark distribution. Now for replacing x by -2 plus 2 minus x, you will get 0.5 mark. And after simplification, getting the value of this I, you will get another 0.5 mark. And adding this I and I, you will get 1 mark. And applying the limits and getting a final answer, you will get another 1 more mark. So totally 3 marks for question B.